Okay guys, so let's get started with my bathroom tour. I'm just giving you an overview of the bedroom, which I have a full video on. I will link it above if I can remember. And I'm just showing you the closet in reference to the bathroom. Okay guys, so this is what the bathroom looks like when you enter it. And I'm just showing you kind of an overview of the bathroom. That picture is from Home Goods for $24.99, and I'm just showing you kind of what it looks like. Pay no attention to my bedroom. That's another one that's straight across from the other one, and a mercury glass vase with some pink roses in it. And then I just have a marble lotion and hand dispenser with my new pineapple, which is also from Home Goods for $19.99. This bathroom is a lot bigger, as you can see, than the guest bathroom that I previously toured. I also linked that video as well. And I have this beautiful orange vase that is like a little pop of something different in this bathroom. I'm also going to be incorporating that color into my bedroom for the fall and winter. So over on the porcelain throne, I just have that, okay, we'll come back to it. Hate voiceovers. I do have some towels hung here in my little spa station. As you can see, I'm using apothecary jars and practical items as decor pieces. And I kind of made a little towel set up there. Oh god, the tag's going to drive me crazy. I have some super tie candle over there. This mirrored stand came from the at-home store. Once again, I am using white curtain panels that I've taken all the way up to the ceiling to make this bathroom appear way bigger than what it is. And those little sprays in the vase right there, I had those already. I think they're from Home Goods though. And then I have some charcoal gray rugs on the floor. You guys, if you don't know, I love taking baths. So this is one of my favorite rooms as well. These two pictures are also from Home Goods, and I'm loving the champagne colored frames and just how simple and elegant they look. That picture is also from Home Goods. So on the back of the toilet, I just have a lantern and then a silver candle holder with some greenery. Showing you my little spa station again. And I have a regular candle and then the candle in the container. Alright, so I fixed that tag on the towel bar. Those drive me crazy. But I just took two white towels and then the other towel from the other bathroom. Tied it around there. So that's how that looks. And then I have a marble trash can that actually goes with the soap and lotion dispenser. I could always paint that vase if I get tired of that color, which I probably will end up doing once I get tired of the burnt orange. That picture was, I think I said $59.99 from Home Goods. And just what that looks like up close. And then I have a little toilet bowl cleaner over there. Kind of like the other one in the other bathroom. These pictures are so pretty. I want to say I paid like $40 a piece for those from Home Goods. And I'm bringing in a little bit of wood texture and with the mirrored stuff. And yeah. So this is one of my other favorite rooms. Look at that pineapple. Love these shadow boxes as well. Simple decor pieces that can go with anything. So yeah. So pretty. Yep. And yeah, so sorry about that. So that's what the bathroom looks like, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and I will see you guys in the next video, whatever it might be. We are knocking these rooms down like ain't nobody's business. Love you guys.